So now I think it's time to go get ready for the meet and greet because it's already 6 o'clock. Time flies when you're having fun at UTV Takeover because literally the next thing you know, you gotta be somewhere else. And then you're rushing.
These down dudes are like 10,000 times bigger than I thought they were.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex, neighborhood, all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Bro, I got God, don't fear none. My line best take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Your whole squad shitty like Rose Rock. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Don't shade us, no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spitter in a 644. Cash money like 504. Raw like AD 24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save us. 10 to 80, my savings. Tax it top from the base one. New car, race on.
Guys, we made it here. Say we made it. We made it. We made it here, guys. Nobody's doing the jump. Everybody's afraid of the jump. Why are y'all afraid of the jump? We decided to jump ahead of the night ride. And, well, I guess we'll just deal with what we get. Oh, they're sending it over there. Oh my God, it's a Segway girl. Turn 14 girl. Oh man, guys, this is definitely the busiest night so far. I mean, this is wild. Like, as far as, and they're still freaking coming in. Hey, it's another YouTuber. Oh my God. They're still freaking coming in, guys. This is what we love. This is what we do. This is our life. I was just talking to Ralph. The flashing lights. Austin, tell me what your opinion is.
Yeah. This is called Tampax in Winchester Bay. He's my new best friend if he comes to Winchester. Otherwise, fuck this guy.
Oh my God. I'm gonna be at Winchester. You hear that? I promise you guys, I will be there. Edit that out. Alright guys, so I am sorry. I have missed the mark on making videos, but honestly, we have been out here in St. Anthony's and we've been just having a freaking blast. It's been a great time. I'm actually at the end of our trip. It's Sunday night. We stayed an extra day, had a lot of ripping, got a ton of content for the 250th year, 4th of July. It's just been a freaking blast. And I am very sorry for not pushing out a few videos a week like I have been doing, but to be honest, needed a little break. Got super sick. Miles is hey anyway, so we just had so much fun this week, and honestly I just needed a break. I was so sick, and I just, man, it's been a lot, but I'm pretty much over it. Miles got so sick too, and then trying to take care of a sick baby plus a sick dad is a lot for Krista. But nonetheless, this is just a quick thrown together video of kind of the rest of the day from the last video that we made. But next video on Wednesday is going to be Huckfest and all that other good stuff. And then we're jumping into a Packard car that I'm building and a bunch of other fun stuff. And then we go into St. Anthony stuff. So I've got probably 7 videos to edit. So tons of content, and we have tons of things going on this month. And my son is being absolutely crazy right now. What's that? Tell him what you think. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with us and everything. And I know, buddy. I'm trying to tell them. I'm trying to tell them. But we got lots of great videos coming up soon. Going back to our normal schedule. Now that I'm not sick, I can actually edit again. I mean, I was at the point where I was just sleeping and just trying so freaking hard to recover from whatever that was that me and Miles caught. I mean, it was horrendous. Haven't been sick for that many days consecutively in a long time. Nonetheless, we love you guys so much. It's gonna be, I love you, Miles. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to tell you all thank you, give you a little something to watch for a Monday morning on your ride to work or wherever you go. And Wednesday, it's going to be a good, fully edited, good quality video. And then after that, we're going to get back to that 4 videos this week. That's my goal. And thank you guys. Appreciate it so much. It means so much to us. So have a good morning, day or night, whatever you're doing. And yeah, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay.